What's up, buddy? How are you? Hope you're fine now, guys. Once again, I'm present with another update video of Hedera Hashgraph, guys. And in this video, I will show you that what will be the next move of Hedera. Is guys, in the future, Hedera price will pump or dump, guys. We are not confirmed, guys, but we make a prediction for all of you guys. So keep watching this video complete, and guys, if you are new in my channel, if you are new here, so make sure to click the subscribe button and never miss any update videos from ABS Tech channel. So guys, first of all, now if you talk about the right now price of Hedera in the market in the right now situation, so 0.365797 USD dollar, that is the current price of Hedera. Furthermore, you can see the last 1 hour update is spot positive 0.7%, in the last 1 day, last 1 week change is completely negative. The price change is completely going wrong. So just hold, guys, never decide to sell. Now let me show you the price chart. You can see, guys, at this time the price changes of Hedera is pumping, but unfortunately just in the latest situation today the price of Hedera is going in the lows. So don't worry, guys, that is a temporary loss. You know what, as you can see here, at this time price dump, and after dump again price pump, and now again the price dump. And possibilities, guys, that after tomorrow, guys, tomorrow possibilities that the price again start pumping, guys. So just hold, guys. Anyways, guys, what you think about Hedera? What's your opinion? Also share your opinion in the comment box, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.